morning children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So children, today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter Y. What we are going to learn? Letter Y. Children, the sound of letter Y is Y, Y, Y. Yes, the sound of letter Y is Y, Y. And the words start with letter Y is, children, Y for yak. Yes, it's an animal. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo means it's a toy. Yes. Y for yan. Okay. And Y for yellow. Yes, the color yellow start with letter Y. Okay, children. So this was the letter Y sound and the words start with letter Y. So today we are going to learn how to write letter Y. Okay. So let's start. So children, this is the letter Y. This is capital letter. So children, so this is letter Y. So how you are going to write letter Y? Slanting line and slanting line. It's become letter Y. And how you are going to write letter Y? Small letter, curve and standing line and curve. This becomes small letter Y. This is uppercase Y. This is lowercase y. Okay. So we'll write in a red and blue line. So you have to start from here, children. From red line to blue line. And from here you have to go down till blue line. Okay, children. So this becomes letter Y. And like this. Y. Slanting line. Slanting line. One line you have to do till blue line and another line you have to do from red to blue line. Okay, children? Y. This is letter Y. Like this you have to write letter Y. Slanting line and slanting line. How we write letter X? Like this. So you have to complete here and then you have to complete it from red line to blue line. Okay. So now we are going to write letter, small letter Y. So small letter, I told you it comes in blue line only. So you have to write U. First you have to write a small letter U, come down and do curve. So it becomes letter Y. U likho, niche aao, curve. It becomes letter Y. U, standing line. Like this you have to do standing line and from here curve. Okay. So this is letter Y. Okay, now we'll write together. Red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Like this. And then U, standing line, curve. So it becomes letter Y. Slanting line. Slanting line. U, standing line and curve. Okay. So this become letter Y. Slanting line. Slanting line. Write a U, standing line and curve. It becomes letter Y. Okay. So this was, children, letter Y. Now we are going to underline. Whenever you see letter Y, you have to underline. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yan. Y for yellow. So this was, children, letter Y. You have to do writing practice and share me the photos and videos. The sound of children Y is Y, Y, Y. Okay. So please share the photos and videos and I hope you like this topic. Thank you.